Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily change the language on Instagram. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the settings menu. Once you are in the settings, simply scroll down until you find the language option. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, you will see a list of languages. Simply select the language you wanted to switch to, and Instagram will automatically update to your chosen language. And you can also search the language by tapping on the search bar right here. And that's it. Your Instagram language has now been updated. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.